Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this lovely DIY bob braid using Brazilian. We can see what I'm doing. I'm just sewing the closure down. The person that wanted this wig said she does not want me to ventilate on it, so she does not use air, so she will make use of only Brazilian wool. So that is what I'm trying to achieve for her. So I'm using 2x6 closure, but I didn't allow the pattern to be long. That is why she does not really want a very deep pattern. So that is why I sewed a lot of space in the front, as in you can see where I attached the closure. You can see that in a lot of net is outside. So after I'm done sewing that down, then we start doing the necessary work. So guys, I'm so sorry I've been away for some while now. So your baby girl is back. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much for the new subscriber. Let's continue before I continue talking. So this is the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using. So you can see I'm using my chalk to draw out the line. Do you know why I love doing this? The hair won't be over full, the hair won't be shapeless, I won't overwork myself. So that is why I love using this method, and that is the reason why I use chalk. Before I finish braiding this hair, the chalk will clear itself. It's a client hair wig, is not mine, so the chalk will disappear itself as I continue braiding on it. So you can see I've already started with the first track. Then let's start with the second track. So I ventilate with 3 strands of Brazilian wool. Yes, because she does not want it to be big. I ventilate with 3 strands, then braid with 4 strands. I said ventilate, sorry. I crochet with 3 strands of Brazilian wool, then I braid with 4 strands of Brazilian wool. So can you please keep on enjoying this amazing video? So as I was saying, your girl is back. I've been so sick, but I'm better now. Back and better. So I'll be dropping a lot of amazing tutorial for you guys, so watch out for the amazing video. And thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You're welcome to my amazing channel. You won't regret subscribing to this channel. So you can see I'm doing the same thing. So when I finish braiding at the down part, make sure you tie a knot, then form a loop, then tie a knot to secure it. So can you please keep on enjoying this amazing tutorial? And do not forget to always space your hand. It's very important for you to do that when braiding your wig, so that it won't be over shapeless. Very important for you to do that. So we are at the closure part now. Now I'm going to use my ruler to straight out the line. I want my hand to be straight, so I'll just use my ruler to mark out the line. Then I'll make use of tape rule to measure the pattern, so that the pattern will be straight, neat and equal. you know I said it earlier that this closure is 2 by 6, so I'm going to measure the 2 inches. I'll divide it into two, you understand, then I'll divide it again. So I did 4 pattern at the front. So I burn the tip. Make sure you have cold water inside a bowl near you. You can see. Then I cut it off. So that is all. Even though if some are longer than one, you can still use this method also. So kindly please keep on watching for the amazing final look. If you are still watching to this stage, I really appreciate your support and love. I really appreciate each and every one of you so much. The final look, guys, this wig came out so beautiful, so amazing, so nice, so gorgeous. So that is all for the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the love support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for my new subscriber. Thank you so much for my old subscriber. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.